Welcome to this week's edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Pharming's Joenja, or leniolisib, has become the first disease-modifying treatment for activated phosphoinositide 3 kinase delta syndrome, or APDS, to be approved for use by the NHS in England. The NICE decision follows a pricing agreement, making Joenja available to eligible patients aged 12 and over. APDS is an ultra-rare immunodeficiency, and this marks a milestone in targeted treatment access. Dyne Therapeutics has secured orphan drug designation from the European Medicines Agency for DINE 251, intended for Duchenne muscular dystrophy patients amenable to exon 51 skipping. The decision is underpinned by promising DELIVER trial data showing sustained functional benefits, representing a major advancement for this subset of patients. The EMA has granted orphan drug designation to AB Sciences AB8939 for the treatment of acute myeloid leukemia. Preclinical evidence highlighted the compound's impact on drug-resistant AML cells and its additive effects with existing treatments. This status emphasizes its potential to fulfill unmet needs in aggressive hematologic cancers. Equillium received FDA feedback declining breakthrough therapy and accelerated approval designations for itolizumab in first-line acute graft-versus-host disease. The agency cited insufficient evidence based on day 29 outcomes. While the Equator study will be closed early, Equillium remains committed to exploring future development or partnerships for the molecule. Ipsen's elafibranor showed encouraging results in the Phase 2 ELM-Wood study for primary sclerosing cholangitis, a rare liver disease with no current approved therapies. The trial met its primary safety endpoint and showed reductions in key liver enzymes. An open-label extension is ongoing to further assess long-term effects. BPG Bio presented data indicating that BPM-31510 can deliver coenzyme Q10 to critical tissues, including the cerebellum, in a model of primary Q10 deficiency. This compound, which has rare pediatric disease designation, may offer symptomatic relief from conditions like ataxia and broader mitochondrial dysfunction. EpiCRISPR Biotechnologies is integrating an AI-powered muscle imaging biomarker into its study on facioscapulohumeral muscular dystrophy using EPI 321. The Springbok Analytics platform quantifies muscle health changes via MRI, offering a potential surrogate endpoint for accelerated approval pathways. The FDA has approved Abeona Therapeutics' Zivaskin, or prademagene zimikeracel, for treating wounds in recessive dystrophic epidermolysis bullosa, a severe genetic skin disorder. Approval was granted based on the Phase 3 VITAL study, which demonstrated significant wound healing and pain reduction following a single surgical application of genetically engineered skin cells. The FDA has missed its Prescription Drug User Fee Act, or PDUFA, deadline for reviewing stealth biotherapeutics candidate for an ultra-rare disease. This delay puts the regulatory pathway on hold, raising uncertainty about the timing of a potential approval decision. Merck KGaA of Germany has announced a $3.9 billion acquisition of SpringWorks Therapeutics, a U.S.-based firm focused on rare diseases and oncology. This move is expected to bolster Merck's rare disease pipeline and reinforce its strategic expansion into targeted therapeutic areas. Stay ahead in rare disease research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com